Inshallah, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the Clairauts equation. Now, first we see the Clairauts equation is of the form. You have to by heart this. The Clairauts equation is the form y equals to px plus f of p. Y and x here. P of f of p. Y equals to p into x plus f of p. If we get an equation of this type, y equals to px plus f of p, then we say this is a Clairaut's equation, where p is always dy by dx. P is dy by dx. Now let you do one thing, differentiate this one with respect to x, with respect to x. So if you differentiate y, it will be dy by dx with respect to x. Now these two are multiplying uv. So u d by dx of v, d by dx of this is uv. We know already what is uv. D by dx of uv is u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of v. So d by dx of x is 1 plus v means x, and differentiation of this will be p is dp by dx plus, you see here, if we differentiate f of x, we write f dash x. So this will be f dash p, but we have to write dp by dx because we have to differentiate with respect to x. U d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. D by dx of dp will be dp by dx. F of x differentiated f dash x. And again, because we have to differentiate with respect to x, you write dp by dx. No, this is p, dy by dx is p. So you write p equals to p plus. Let me take common from this two. If you take common, you will get dp by dx into, we left with x plus f dash p. So this p will get cancelled. What is left here? Dp by dx into x plus f dash p equals to 0. Now separate this one. You will get one equation, x plus f dash p, x plus f dash p equals to 0. Now dp by dx equals to 0 implies differentiation is 0. That means the p is constant. If you integrate, this integration and differential get cancel, we left with p, and integration of 0 will be 0 only, but we will get constant c. So p equals to c is the solution. P equals to e is called the, sorry, p equals to g is called the general solution. Therefore, general solution. What is general solution? In place of p, we have to write here in the equation as c. So what will be the general equation of y equals to c into x plus f of c. It's very easy. You just remember this one. For general solution, just we have to write in place of c x. Sorry, in place of c p, we have to write c. Now, if we solve this f x plus, suppose this is 2, and the given equation is suppose 1. If we solve the given equation and equation 2, we will get an equation in which there is no constant. We will get an equation with no constant. That equation is called singular equations, singular solutions. For that is singular solution. Now just recall that general solution of Clairaut's equation is obtained by substituting p equals to c, by substituting p equals to c. Therefore, if we substitute in place of p c, we get y equals to cx plus f of c. For singular equations, for singular solution, what is the formula? Watch here. What is the method? Differentiate this with respect to c. Differentiate this y equals to cx plus f dash c with respect to c, and eliminate c using 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and eliminate c using 1 and 2. Whatever the equation we get, eliminate c using 1 and 2 to get a singular solution. So singular solution means the equation with no constant. Singular solution means the equation with no constant. So let me do a few questions based on the Clairaut's equation. See here, two questions are written on the board. Find the general and singular solutions of Clairaut's equation. The same, just here y cube and here y square. Let me do one question. You try by yourself this question. Okay. Now I have written the question y equals to x y dash minus. We already know what is y dash. Y dash is nothing but dy by dx, and dy by dx is nothing but p. So in place of y dash, you write p. So this will be y equals to xp minus pq. So it is of the form of Clairaut's equation. You see, what is Clairaut's equation? Y equals to xp plus f of p. So it is of the Clairaut's equation. So the general solution will get just by substituting p equals to c. The general equation is In place of p, you write c. P equals to c. In place of p, you write c. This is the general equation. Y equals to x into c minus c cube. Just substituting in place of p equals to c, we get the general equation. Now I got the general equation. Let me suppose this one, equation 1. Now we have to find singular solution. For singular solutions, differentiate this with respect to c. Differentiate with respect to neither x nor y, but with respect to constant c. Here we don't have constant c, so this will become 0, equals to d by dc of c will be 1. Like d by dx of x is 1, so d by dc of c will be 1. 1 into x, x, minus. In the same way, d by dx of x cube is 3x square, so this will be 3c square. Now we have to find c from this and substitute in the equation. Finish. We have to find c from this. Bring this minus 3 here. It will be plus 3c square equals to x. C square equals to x by 3. So c will be c equals to root of x by 3. Now substitute this in 1. Substituting in 1. You see here y equals to x into c. See, what is c? We are having root x by root 3. I'm writing like this. Root x by root 3 minus c cube means root of x by 3 whole cube. Now let me solve it to get the answer. Okay. You see here y equals to x root x by root 3 minus, what is this? Root x by root 3 into root x by root 3 into root x by root 3. So root x into root x will become x root 3 by root 3 into root 3 will become 3 root 3. So let me take LCM here. Y equals to LCM will be 3 root 3. 3 root 3. Root 3 root 3 will get cancelled. What is the value? 3 into x root 3 will be 3x root x minus. This is same. So this will be x root 3. So bring this here. Therefore 3 root 3y equals to 3x root x minus x root x will be 2x root x. 2x root x. So this equation is called singular solution. Is singular solution. Is singular solution. So let me do a few questions more on this method. Now see the next question. Find the general and singular solutions of the Clairauts equation. You see here, just you change this. After just changing it will become Clairauts equation. Y equals to multiply x into p will be px minus a into p ap minus p square. So now you see this is of the form y equals to Clairauts form. What is Clairauts form? Y equals to px plus f of p. F of p. This is f of p. So it is of the, it is an Clairauts equation. It is Clairauts equation. Therefore, the general solution is in place of p we have to write c. In place of p, if we write c, y equals to cx minus a into c minus c square. Let you note this as 1. So we got here, what we got here? General equation, note as well. Now we have to find the single equation. For that we have to differentiate this with respect to c. Differentiate with respect to c. So if we differentiate with respect to c, we don't have c here, it will be 0. D by dc of c will be 1. 1 into x will be x minus d by dc of c will be 1. 1 into a will be a minus c square will be 2c. Now we have to find c from this and substitute in 1. Finish. Bring this minus 2c here, it will be plus 2c. So 2c will be x minus a. Bring 2 also there, so c equals to x minus a by 2. Now let me substitute this in 1. Substitute in 1. Therefore, the singular solution is, now let me substitute this, y equals to c. Just we got the value of c, x minus a in by 2 into x minus a into again c is x minus a by 2 minus c square means x minus a by 2 whole square. Now let me solve it. Let me take common from this 2. What we'll get common? If we take common x minus a by 2 common, what is left here? X minus a. So x minus a minus x minus a whole square. By this 2 square will become 4. X minus a into x minus a will be x minus a whole square. y equals to x minus a whole square by 2 minus x minus a whole square by 4. Now let me take LCM. If we take LCM, what will we get? We will get LCM as 4. So this will be in 2 into x minus a whole square minus x minus a whole square implies last. Bring this 4 here, this will become 4y. 2x minus a whole square minus x minus a whole square will be 2x minus x will be x. In the same way, 2 into x minus a whole square minus x minus a whole square will be x minus a whole square. So this is the singular solution of the given equation. Now see the next question. Find the general solution and singular solution of the equation. We have to change little to get into the Clairauts form. Bring this sign here. It will be sine inverse p. So sine inverse p equals to y minus xp. Y minus xp. Bring this minus xp on the other side. It will be plus xp. So y equals to xp plus sine inverse p. Now it is of the form. It is of the form. Clairauts y equals to px plus f of p. That is Clairauts equation. Therefore, solution of general solution is put x p equals to c. We'll get the general equation. Therefore, general solution is y equals to, in place of c we have to write p, in place of p we have to write c. So cx plus sine inverse c. Let we note as 1. Now for singular solution, we have to differentiate this with respect to c. We have to find c and substitute in this value. So differentiate with respect to c. So this will become, we don't have c here, it will become 0. D by dc of c will be 1. 1 into x will be x. Plus now d by dx of sine inverse x. We know what is d by dx of sine inverse x. D by dx of sine inverse x is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. So in that way, the differentiation of sine inverse c will be 1 by under root of 1 minus c square. Now let me do one thing. You bring 1 here. We have to find from this c. So you do one thing. Bring this x here. It will be minus x equals to 1 by under root of 1 minus c square. Now you square it. The we will get root will be gone. So if you square it, minus will become plus x square equals to 1 by 1 minus c square. Okay. Now do one thing. If bring this here and this here, it will be like this. 1 minus c square equals to 1 by x square. Now you have to find c. C is minus. Bring here, it will be plus. Bring here, it will be minus. Like this. 1 minus 1 by x square equals to c square. Take LCM here and bring the square here. It will be root. Root of x square minus 1 by x square equals to c. Therefore, we can write c equals to under root of x square minus 1 by, this root square will get cancelled. We left with only c. We get only with x. So let's substitute this in 1. Substitute in 1. Therefore, singular solution is, now put c value in this, we'll get the answer. So y equals to c. C is under root of x square minus 1 by x into x plus sine inverse c. Plus sine inverse c. C is under root of x square minus 1 by x. Now let me cancel this one. You will get the answer y equals to under root of x square minus 1 plus sine inverse under root of x square minus 1 by x. Let me do this last question. Okay, see here, it is not just now, we have to change a little to change into the Clairauts form. First, let me do one thing. We use the definition of log. We already know that the base here will be e. If we use the definition of log and if we remove the log, this e will become here. It will become e power p. Definition of log. We say this as definition of log. You see here, suppose we are having log x equals to a. Here we are having base e. If we take out log, what is left here? X. This e will come here. It will be e power e. This is the definition of log. So let me take out the log here. This e will come here. So it will be e power p equals to px minus y. Bring this y here and e power here, p here. You will get the value of y. So y will be y equals to px minus e power p. Now it is of the Clairauts form, that is y equals to px plus f of p. So for this general solution is, the general solution is, in place of p we put c. So this will be y equals to cx minus e power c. Cx minus e power c. Now let me note this as equation 1. Now for singular solution we have to differentiate this with respect to c and find the value of c and substitute this. Now differentiate with respect to c, with respect to c. We don't have c yet, it will be 0. D by dc of c will be c into 1, x will be x minus d by dx of e power x will be e power x. So this will be e power c. Now bring this here. What is left here? E power c equals to x. Now to get the value of x, you apply log on both sides. So it will become log e power c equals to log x. Bring this c here. C into log e equals to log x. We already know log c is 1. Log e is 1. Therefore, we got the value of c as log x. C as log x. Now substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. So what will have? Y equals to c into x. X into c is log x minus e power c. E power c we directly can take as x. E power c we can directly take here. The value of this is x. The last step. Let me take common x from here. We get the value. Let me take common x. So y equals to x into log x minus 1. So let me continue in the next class, inshallah. Now in today class we have discussed questions based on Clairauts equation. Now the last topic left is Riccati's equation, Riccati equation, inshallah. We are going to discuss this in the next class, inshallah. Okay, so I request you all students to like this video, share these videos with your friends. Okay, inshallah, let me continue in the next class.